Practical, user-friendly and sustainable. The ŠKODA VISION 7S honors traditional ŠKODA values, but presents them in a completely new form. In fact, the electric car based on the modular MEB platform is the first to receive a completely new design language that will become the hallmark of future ŠKODA vehicles. ŠKODA plans to launch a total of 3 new all-electric models by 2026. In addition to a 7-seater family car based on the VISION 7S, there will also be a compact SUV and a small car. By 2030, ŠKODA wants to achieve a share of over 70% of all electric models in Europe. In the transition to e-mobility, however, ŠKODA is also strengthening its product portfolio of highly efficient combustion engines and will introduce a new generation of Superb and Kodiaq models in the second half of next year. This will be followed in 2024 by a modernized Octavia. ŠKODA designers and engineers will continue to emphasize superior aerodynamics, with the VISION 7S study combining a robust underbody with a high-set side tornado line and aerodynamic roof lines. The large 22-inch wheels with rims in an almost enclosed design contribute to the excellent aerodynamics. The VISION 7S also shows off the redesigned cooling system for the electric car, which has different requirements than cars with combustion engines. The air outlets above the side skirts are worth noting. For example, covered by grills, they extract air that heats up when cooling the battery. At the same time, they serve as running boards for the portal doors that swing up in opposite directions. On the nose, we find 7 vertical openings for air intake to the radiator and brakes, and the distinctive orange control element that serves to safely disconnect the car's high-voltage circuit. This orange is a frequently used accent color on the VISION 7S. The T-shaped headlights and rear lights are also a new design element. The headlights are complemented at the front by an ambient light strip that stretches across the entire width of the vehicle. On the front and rear of the car, we find the illuminated ŠKODA lettering, which is part of the new logo and the carmaker's new visual identity. The ŠKODA VISION 7S's exterior conceals modular technology with an 89 kWh battery that gives the car a range of over 600 km per charge in the WLTP cycle. Charging itself can also be very fast, with a maximum supported charging power of just under 200 kilowatts. Inside the car, we find a brand new interpretation of the onboard infotainment system with significantly revised graphics and control logic. The dominant feature is the 14.6-inch touchscreen, the largest ever installed in a ŠKODA. The Virtual Cockpit is made up of an 8.8-inch display, and a redesigned steering wheel with a flattened top and bottom provides an excellent view in it. There's also an augmented reality head-up display. The steering wheel has 2 large spokes at 6 and 12 o'clock. The lower one incorporates a touchpad that can be used to control some functions when the car is stationary. Elsewhere on the steering wheel, we find special haptic scroll wheels, which have been given bright orange accents for easier orientation.